Meet winter's unsung hero. In a world of pyroxene, cold, and whiteout silence, the Arctic fox stands testament to survival at extremes. What makes this small predator so uniquely resilient? It can brave minus 50 degrees CC on its own steam. No human heating pads required. It molts each year, trading winter's snowy whites for summer's muted earth tones, just in time to stay stealthy. This coat shift is not whimsy. It's a strategic play in the survival handbook. Learn what really keeps the fox warm. Its winter pelt has the highest insulating value of any mammal fur, thanks to thousands of hollow shafts that trap warm air. Observe how nature shapes survival. No need for long ears or parabolic limbs. Less surface area means less heat escaped. These foxes are not picky. They'll snack on lemmings, voles, birds, eggs, even marine leftovers. Feeding flexibility is survival for this carnivorous opportunist. Arctic foxes execute these high-speed dive attacks manually hundreds of times a day, with kill rates up to 85%. A smart scavenger, the fox sometimes leverages the work of giants to feed. These dens, often decades old, host generations of kits. In good years, litters can reach up to 25 pups. Warming winters let red foxes invade, and larger predators crowd into fox territory. Less snow, fewer lemmings, fewer kits. Climate change is a new equation. Thanks to Norway's captive breeding and carefully monitored release program, fox numbers have climbed from 40 to 550 in Scandinavia since 2006.